Okay, I just want to do a review on the general car insurance. If you're looking for a car insurance to go with, don't go with the general. I've had the worst experience, and I've talked to a ton of people, and they've said they've had a pretty bad experience with the general. There's a ton of problems with them. They're easy to get at first, and they're really cheap at first, but that's at first. Their customer service is horrible. They're very rude. They're hard to get a hold of, and they'll find any reason to jack your rates up or charge you any kind of fee. And honestly, they have cancellation fees when you go to cancel with them. They wanted to charge me $350 to cancel. The first month when I started with them, they charged me $129 a month. And then shortly after, they charged me $250 a month. And then this used vehicle I bought that was bad and had problems, like with the brakes, it caused me to get in a couple of accidents. And so I got rid of that vehicle and got another vehicle. And I tried to remove that vehicle and add the new vehicle, but they just kept on both vehicles and jacked up my rates for two vehicles. And it took a long time to get it off. Not to mention they have long claims waits. It's been over a year and they still haven't settled the claim on the accident. They said it's still all pending. And I only got their basic liability insurance, and it covers for liabilities for the other people, but still it's like it's still pending. And it's like they sent me to collections, which is kind of ridiculous. And I'm gonna try to fight them on it. I'm gonna be talking to a lawyer here soon to try to get all that taken care of so that it doesn't affect my credit. Because when I was talking to them, I consented to being recorded, and that's it. But they threatened to report it on my credit, and it would affect my credit. Not to mention the fact that people I rent from, they wanted to add on my insurance because they were saying that in Oregon where I live, you have to add whoever is living in the household, whether they have access to the vehicle or not, which they don't, and I rent from them. They're saying that I have to have them on the policy. And at first they tried to tell me that, oh, you can have inactive drivers, which means it'll state on the policy that you live together, but that they won't be driving the vehicle. And then as soon as I gave them the information, they came back and told me, sorry, you can't have inactive drivers in Oregon on the policy. So they're very sleazy. They're very greedy. They'll do anything to get money out of you. If you want a car insurance company, don't go with the general. Like, never. I give them 0 stars when it comes to a review. So please avoid the general. unless you want to be scammed.